Hello Coffeeholics, welcome back. Today is another requested video tutorial. This time we are going to talk about French vanilla. We are going to compare two brands, Torani and Monin. First, let's do a visual review. In terms of color, Monin is darker than that of Torani. In terms of smell, the smell of Monin is stronger. Smells more artificial than that of Torani. Now let's find out about the taste. So stay tuned until the end of this video clip and we are going to let you know which one tastes better. So for today's recipe, I am going to make 2 piccolo latte. We're going to pull 2 shots of espresso and we're going to split into 2 cups 2 piccolo latte. And I'm going to use my medium roast coffee beans. I'm going to use my honey blend here and I'm going to use full cream milk. We're going to use the exact same recipe for both of our latte. And for this, I'm going to ask for the help of Christiana once again. So she's going to review which one is better for your coffee drinks. Hello, Christiana.
Hello.
I'm liking your new haircut.
Thank you.
It's all about summer. It's really very hot these days. So yeah, it's time for a haircut. I might do just that. So in my next video tutorial, watch out for the same haircut with Christiana. I'm going to have to ask Christiana to turn around.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
And I'm going to put the vanilla syrup, French vanilla, 1 teaspoon. Okay. So this one is this one. Okay.
This one is this one.
And for the viewers, okay. So this one is this one. Okay, and then wait, we're going to switch this, switch. Okay?
Make
so
sure you remember.
We know we should remember which one is it. Okay, just switch it all. So, okay.
This glass is really hot. Yeah, I have a favorite one.
Well, actually, it is very hot.
Yeah.
Kind of hot. So
Careful.
oops. Wow. That's it.
Okay, don't mix it up though. This one's this one.
Okay, that one's
There
the
you go.
one. Okay.
Okay, we're going 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1 favorite, okay?
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, why? And which one is which one?
Which one is which one? Well, actually, I kind of like mix it up, but it still is Torani on the right, and the left is Monin. Okay, so she liked Torani, I like Monin.
Okay, there you go.
There you go.
Consistency.
She's never favored Monin. I think that's a better way of putting it, right? So now it's Torani.
Yeah.
Now let's find out why.
Tell me why.
Christiana, can you tell us why you chose the Torani one?
I just think that this one tastes, it doesn't taste as clean. I think that's the best way to put it. Not in terms of clean, healthy eating, just in terms of there being an aftertaste. You know, you definitely taste the
syrup.
punch. Yeah, the syrup. This one's more subtle and it lets your coffee beans and your coffee taste shine a lot more. And I think that's why I would go for this every day of the week. I don't think there would be an occasion where I would prefer this one over that one.
Right.
Yeah.
That actually makes sense. I mean, she said it exactly the same thing as I would say it. I mean, I could taste the vanilla, the French vanilla, more with the Monin than the one with the Torani.
I think I've given this advice before, or like this recommendation before, on a different syrup, but if you have good beans, definitely want to go for this one in my opinion.
Right, yeah.
If you have like not so good beans but you want to have a vanilla latte, or you know, a vanilla French vanilla any way, shape or form, this one.
Vanilla in any shape or form.
French vanilla, like if it's a latte or if it's like a frappe or whatever, if you have bad beans, then you can mask it with this. Again, like when you're comparing just the syrups on their own, the Monin vanilla is a lot stronger. It punches you in the face.
Right, punches you in the face. Well, in that case, it seems that we kind of disagreed here. She preferred the Torani one.
But why did you prefer the Monin one? Because
it tasted more like the...
Oh, okay.
If we're looking for a French vanilla taste, then I would say go for the Monin because the taste is more pronounced. But if you want to just give it a subtle taste and then also, you know, showcase your coffee, then yes, go for Torani.
Which one's cheaper?
Yeah. Torani is slightly cheaper than Monin.
Oh, okay. So is it like if you have expensive beans, then you can go for this?
The Torani, right. So you
it's
balance
cheaper.
You balance
but it
the
also,
cost.
You balance the cost and you also balance the flavor, right?
The flavor,
balance.
That's right.
Balance the flavor.
Yeah, I mean...
Yeah,
you should do your own experiment as well. But
if you've tried it and you have a certain opinion, either way, comment below.
Let us know.
I'd love to know, actually.
Yeah. Well, I think I would summarize what Christian and I said here. If you have good coffee and you'd like to really showcase how good your coffee beans are, I would suggest you go with Torani because it just gives you a hint of that French vanilla and a hint of sweetness. But if you'd like it to really stand out as a French vanilla latte, then I would suggest you go with Monin.
Actually, like the ingredients, so Monin has 64% sugar. That's the #1 ingredient. Ingredients are always laid out in terms of concentration, right? Most concentrated being first. The Torani one is 52.75, so it's like more than 10%.
Right. It means to say that Torani is less sweet. And that's exactly how it came out here. So if you're going to take away this for your afternoon tea, which one would you take?
I'll take this one.
Okay.
I am taking this one.
Anyway, that's all we would like to share with you today. Torani or Monin. I think in summary, because I have really good coffee here, I would suggest you go for Torani. In the meantime, if you have any questions, let us know. Comment below. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Take care. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.
Ciao for now.
Thank you.
Bye.